Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add balance on your Apple ID account. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, before starting the video, please like this video and subscribe this channel. So guys, let's get started. So guys, first of all, open the App Store app on your iPhone. So close and open App Store here. And so after opening the App Store, tap on the profile icon in the right corner, tap on your Apple ID here. So wait for it. So here you can see guys, add money to account, tap on it. So enter your balance, $25, $15 and $100, and other you can enter your desired amount here. So $10, tap on next. So confirm with the side button. So your purchase could not be completed. So guys, because I don't have balance in my credit card, so the purchase could not be completed. So if you have balance in your credit card, it will complete it successfully. So guys, here is the simple method to add credit to your Apple ID. So guys, here is the simple solution. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.